Hi, this is the OPPO A1 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap to activate. After that, tap to go back, click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's check the new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.